Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on sine ratio worksheets. So this video presents some worksheets on the sine ratio. If you're not sure how to proceed, we have seen a lesson on this very topic. All you need to do is, if you need help, you go to the last slide, click on the available link, and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this particular slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, but you can pause this slide for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. Again, I'll leave it on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and you can click on the link if you need any help.